All over the world, more than 1 billion people live with a disability. 200 million of them face severe challenges in their everyday lives. Year by year, disability causes ever-growing concern as the prevalence increases with growing life expectancy. Inability to move on its own significantly reduces the quality of life of persons with disabilities. Many things become just inaccessible. Today, with a sufficient number of vehicles for wheelchair users available on the market, it is almost impossible to find a universal solution that satisfies the broadest possible objectives for providing mobility to persons with disabilities. Finding a way out of this existing situation became the credo of Alexander Zienkiewicz, who in 2016 established a small design bureau to turn into reality the idea of a universal car for disabled people, on which he worked for more than 3 years. The main objective of designers was the creation of a vehicle of the M1 category, specially purposed for disabled people, which would allow them to fully realize their potential, to get work, study, place of rest, keep a more independent lifestyle. Since none of the existing wheelchairs have a safety margin comparable to that of a car seat, work on the project began with the creation of a special wheelchair for the future car. As a result, a wheelchair seat comparable in its functionality to a conventional car seat was developed. Together with a wheelchair, a standard passenger seat was developed, which at any time can be fixed both on the driver's seat position and on the passenger one. The wheelchair seat and the standard seat are included in the standard configuration. An electric wheelchair is available upon request. A self-engineered system for seat fixing in the car and a comfortable lifting system for boarding were developed. The lifting system is more reliable and safe than the inclined boarding ramps used today. The elevation device has a lifting capacity of 350 kilograms and is hydraulically driven. It is equipped with front and rear fences. When lifting the platform, the rear fence is fixed in a vertical position, which prevents the wheelchair from rolling down. The front safety fence on the platform automatically levels with the floor, which allows to enter the car without much effort. The car has also rear-hinged doors, which enables the boarding and deboarding of persons with disability but do not use wheelchairs. To provide more comfort while boarding and deboarding, the seats have turning mechanisms. Due to its compact size, the electric car can be parked across the curb. As a result, boarding and deboarding can be performed right on the sidewalk, which is important for wheelchair users. For more convenience, there are handles installed on the pillars, which are additional support points and significantly facilitate the process of boarding and deboarding. The car has all the necessary modern vehicle features, such as ASR, ABS, ESP, one-button electronic parking brake. The vehicle has a modern multimedia system with all the necessary features, such as App Connect for iOS users and Android Auto for Android users. The multifunction steering wheel allows to use the system without distracting the driver. Air conditioning provides a pleasant microclimate. The maximum car speed is limited to 100 km per hour. The drive range is 175 km.